Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back for another episode of Project 944. As you can see, we got some stuff missing. So started working on doing the clutch, got the transmission pulled. Here's the transmission. I've got it cleaned up pretty well. I've got a little bit of cleanup to do inside the housing there, but cleaned up the outside of the case as best I could. In doing so, trying to get to the clutch, there was a bracket and a sensor on the bell housing on the back of the engine that I could not get off while it was in the car. So ultimately decided to just pull the engine. So engine is out. Of course, this did increase the amount of work, not just because of the pulling the engine, but I've got all kinds of goodies here now. Alright, so we got all the timing belt and balance shaft belts off, and cleaned all the grease and grime the best I could off of the front of the block here. Still some on the water pump, but I didn't spend a whole lot of time on that because I am replacing that. So all the grime and everything you see in here will go away anyway when I replace the water pump. So definitely not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous. It's been a very long time since I've had a engine this far apart, and hoping it goes well. So we'll keep plugging away. Got to do the water pump and see how it goes from there.